Hello students, I am going to teach you science of class 4th and the next chapter in your book is safe drinking water. Okay, so in this chapter we will learn how we can save our drinking water and what are the methods by which we can protect it and how we can remove impurities from them. Now, as you know that uh, all plants and animals need water for living. Okay, in fact, our life is not possible without water, and as that water is very essential for our body. Do you know that about 80% of our body weight is water, and most of the functions of our body are carried out only in the presence of water, and in the absence of water our life will not be possible. So we must drink sufficient amount of water. Now the main important thing is that we should know that from where do we get supply of water. So, we get water from water bodies such as ponds, lakes, rivers, etc. And the main source of water on earth is rain. Okay, and when it rains, most of the rainwater goes under the ground and it maintains the level of water under the ground. And from there, we get underground water from wells and tube wells. All plants and animals need water for various activities. Life is not possible without water. Water is very important for us. From where do we get water? Rain is the main source of water on earth. When it rains, most of the rainwater goes under the ground. We get this water from the wells and tube wells. Big blocks of ice melt and form riverlets. Rainwater also flows into the rivers, ponds, and lakes. Water from lakes, ponds, and rivers is supplied to our houses after cleaning. Oceans are the main reservoirs of water on the earth. Water from oceans and rivers is evaporated from clouds. These clouds make rain and water come back to the earth. This is known as water cycle. Thus, in this chapter we have learned that how we get water, from where do we get water, and how can we prevent it from getting polluted. Thank you and have a nice day.